Belen. Yan, welcome to Pampanga po. And good evening dahil it's already dinner time. Pagdating namin dito sa Gavin's Cabin Staycation. So guys, we're gonna stay here for today. So what do you like about the place, baby? Is it good? Hopefully, you can also stay here. Enjoy Azure North at Gavin's Cabin Staycations. Hi, Pogs. Hi, Isa.
Hello.
Is this your room? Hi Isa, what are you watching? Netflix? Netflix? Nice. Which one? Which one? Let's play. Is there basketball? Let's play basketball. Oh, 2K. Let's play it. Oh, let's play it.
Uy! Galing.
Daddy, there's labubu here.
Sa labubu. Grabe. Hi, Isa. And guys, from my vantage point dito sa 18th floor ng Azure North, I can see how busy na ang San Fernando, Pampanga. So, yeah, I can feel it's Christmas already. Here you go.